All right, I just finished up another 2500 HD Denali. It's got a full throttle, 4-inch lift, 2416 forces, 35 1450 Furies. Did a combination powder coat on this one, gloss white and HD teal. With this wide of a wheel, there is some trimming to the bumper and valence, a little bit of the fender flare. Also, customer opted for the chrome resi shocks, which had a nice touch. We did the springs as well. Put new bushings in the springs and the control arms. Chrome resi shocks on the back too. And then did the towing package in HD teal. That's it for now, guys.